I'm Blake.
I'm Cassie.
This is our bus. Come on in. So, it's still a work in progress. We got our bed in the back. It's a queen size bed. Here we have a couch. It pulls out and lifts up for storage. You can see it's got the slats right there.
Yep.
Up top we got all like recycled pallets. We took apart, sanded, stained, different colors to give it a kind of cool look.
Yeah, it gives a nice character to it.
Yeah.
Put in the passenger seat up front so we can both ride up front together.
Yeah. Stairs are kind of still a work in progress. We got tile and then like wood on the back.
Well, like I've said in almost all of my videos, that schoolies are never done, they're done-ish.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So the kitchen will go right here. Some sort of nice like piece of wood. A live edge would be awesome, but they're kind of expensive, so
Yeah, I
not
know.
sure.
I priced some.
Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. It's a short school bus, so not much here, but
Yeah.
it's cozy.
Yeah. Well, you can go places I can't.
Yeah, you got the big
You know,
bus.
Yeah, the big bus. I've gotten in some sketchy spots. But,
Really?
you know, the kinds where the locals' eyes get big going, how did you get this big? Don't ask.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Cool. And we
I
got
like-
these little makeshift screens. You kind of like pop them in there and it velcros down there and up there. They don't work too great. We might have to try some other stuff.
Yeah.
We're getting inspiration from the other buses.
There's, I played around with all kinds of different screens. And I minor them out on the outside, but I'm going to redo them just because I want to redo them.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have half screens. I'm going to do full. But so, well, thank you for the tour.
Yeah,
and,
no problem.
Well, next time we cross paths, you can show me what else you've done.
Yeah, for sure.
Do you have any social media presence if people wanted to ask questions?
Yeah, at Blake and Cassie, just our
Yeah.
names.
Instagram, Facebook.
Yep.
That's mostly
Okay.
it right now.
Yeah, you can pan it around the back. It's on there. What?
You just read that backwards and we're good.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Cool.
Thanks.
Thanks, guys.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.